Hey guys, welcome back. Scott here, Last Minute Outdoors. It's been a while since we've been on with the video. Obviously, a lot of you guys know that the lakes around the metro area are just crap with the amount of snow we've had and the weather and whatnot. So it's been hard for us to get out in the lake and even just navigate around to get on the ice and try fishing. And with life and work and everything else going on, it's been a while. But yeah, me, Dono, and Moose made a decision, made the trip. We don't mind my really red face. You'll see in a while what we got going on. But we decided about 6 o'clock last night. We drove the 6-hour journey up to Baudette on Lake of the Woods here. Just got the house down. You can see it in the background there. Moose and Dono are inside. I'll go get those guys on camera here in a little bit. But yeah, the last 2 hours of our journey, it was obviously leaving at 6 o'clock at night. It was a late night, and we got pretty much past Motley, north of that, and it was a winter storm, blowing, snowing, got really cold, and it's going to be really cold this whole weekend. Outside right now, I don't know how hard well you can see, but it's blowing 30-40 mile an hour gusts, constant like 20 mile an hour wind gusts going on right now. And yeah, we're out on Adrian's axis. We I don't know how, I think we're about 8-9 miles out. We kind of found the first axis that wasn't blown over with drifts and snow, and kind of took the spot. You can see back behind me here, there's people, there's a train of people coming out. We actually stayed at a truck stop overnight, got the fish house heated up, and about 1 o'clock in the morning we got up to that truck stop in Baudette here, and tried to get some sleep before we set an alarm for 6:30 this morning. And yeah, we got up, had some breakfast, and yeah, started the journey off here on the lake. And it's windy, it's gonna be really cold, and yeah, I think the lows are gonna be the negative 25s, almost negative 30, I think, on Saturday night into Sunday morning. So it's gonna be a fun one. Hopefully we keep these propane tanks going, and the heater going, and the generator running. Yeah, nothing like a fun time out on the lake. I'll show you guys outside here and get Dono and Moose going. Like I said, it's windy, it might get loud. Of course, we brought everything just in case the worst happens. Moose?
Hey, buddy.
Dono?
Hey!
We made it.
Yes, we did.
Kind of made the intro a little bit already, telling about our sketchy night at the truck stop, sleeping over in the fish house. But we're out here. What time is it? Is it 9 o'clock yet?
Besides that mouse that's crawling around in the blankets, yeah, it wasn't that bad.
Yeah, Dono swears that there was a mouse in the fish house last night crawling on him. I don't know, we won't get into any more details about that, but yeah, we'll get these holes cleaned out. Look like these guys are tackling it pretty well. Got the generator going, got heat going. Knock on wood, we got a heating blanket for the tanks and the regulator. So yeah, we'll get everything situated.
It's gonna be a cold weekend.
Cold weekend, windy weekend, and yeah, but we're thinking we're at about 32, 34 feet of water, about 8-9 miles out of past the island, and we're hoping we're on something. So, because it ain't fun moving.
Nope. As long as we get a weekend away from the ladies, right?
Yeah.
No, 1 year anniversary.
Yep.
Donovan brought his lady with.
Hey, leave Rosie out of this.
All right, we'll be back. Yeah, first fish in the house, of course, it's going to be moose. Let me get your Markham here. Donovan ran away from the hole. Sauger.
Soggy.
That way, mooser.
Like a wood special.
Yep. We'll pick through those all day, hopefully, and get the wall. Oop. Where's the scalp or the?
Yeah, forceps now.
Here, I got it set right here, I think. You got it? Okay. Alright, we were just watching TV. Weren't marking anything for a while there, and all of a sudden Moose got hit. Hey, got one on the, what is it, Wonder Bread, of course?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Tika.
Tika minnow. Wonder Bread. Looks like there's another mark to the right. I don't know what Donovan's doing.
It's camera now.
Oh, well. Is it on there good, Moose? Hooked itself twice?
Yeah.
Alright, well, maybe we'll put a first fish official measurement once Moose gets it unhooked here. Hopefully doesn't kill it. Oh, there we go.
$11.
11 incher. Alright, we'll let it back. We're in 34 feet of water, so we're trying to pull them up as slow as possible, just so we don't kill them on the way up. And yeah, we'll see if we get some more.
Get in there.
You all good?
Pull that Vexlar.
Pull the Vexlar loose.
You got a big one on.
Yeah.
It's
Tiny one.
Small guy?
I don't know how big.
Think.
I've got a pretty tight drag on him, so it's not like
We'll
I'm
get him.
really.
No, that's not him. No, we gotta keep that one.
Got pretty big, good head shape.
This is a bigger size one. I think it's probably 12 for sure.
Oh yeah.
Can't tell.
Look at those eyeballs. 34 feet of water.
Yep.
Oh my.
That came out of nowhere.
That's a big one.
You see that, Moose?
I don't play him usually too long. I kind of just try to get him up here.
Yeah, we need that head right up.
Yeah.
12?
12 exactly. 12, almost a quarter.
Yep.
You can.
There, boy.
Alright.
On the board.
On the board, big fish in the house so far.
Oh, I bet. Come back. Here comes. Here comes.
What do you got there, Scotty?
Well, you see, Dono, I was just telling you on your Panoptics here that, oh, look, there's a mark to the right here. And I was kind of being funny and say, oh, here it comes. It's coming fast. It's coming fast. And lo and behold, the damn thing came fast. And,
Yep.
just
The old
another tip.
tantrum.
Yeah, I was saying earlier, I put a dinner bell on, and I know it doesn't make as much noise as obviously a tantrum, and
Nice.
it seemed like the fish
Little guy, I think.
slowed down as far as marking them, and put the tantrum back on, and been rattling the crap out of it down there, and
Yeah, another little sauger.
yeah, another little sauger. Hopefully we gotta pick through a bunch of them to get to something big.
Yep.
But we like being official here.
For a little bit.
Got a mark coming in.
Better. The other one was
This is like Moose's, I think, more towards the 11
11 and a
inch.
half.
Yes.
Yep.
11.
We'll let this guy back. I got her up nice and slow. The eyes ain't popping out like it's a...
There you go.
Ooh, there's one at the bottom.
Scott's at 2.
Nice, actually.
Moose is at 1.5. He lost one. I'm at 0. This is a cameraman.
Well, two of them never bought.
Yeah, something's going on down
Just
there.
come right to the dinner belt. You could tell the way it was slinking on the bottom.
There you
It was
go.
Possibly going in.
Ooh, Donald put a hole in the roof trying to set the hook on a blue whale.
See if I can get underneath the rattle bait. Oh, nice.
He's still there.
Jeez, a little bit nicer than I thought, actually. A little bit nicer than I thought. Actually, no, I said it was a nice fish when I saw the mark. I said it wasn't giant. Easy. Okay.
Oh, here comes the guy's bottom.
Still there right now, so we get him back quick.
Coming on the bottom.
Pounding the dinner ball. Clayton, these fish aren't pounding anything today. Oh, I love prime
Right
time.
to Moose.
I love prime time. That wasn't that bad of a fish at all.
Coming up to Moose.
122 inch or something like that.
Oh,
Oh, here comes one streaking. Yep. He's streaked in. He's small. You can tell it wasn't like that mark I just seen right before it. That's for sure.
I want to clean the oven and mop the stove. And when you finish, I want you to massage my feet.
You don't want to smell them wet feet.
You don't want to smell them dry either.
The Brown Family, Louder and Browner, fifth season streaming February 1st on Disney Plus.
I'm just gonna close the deal on this thing. Oh, it looks like you got it.
No, I lost it.
No?
Poor guy. Really small.
Watching Moose reel him up right now. Looks like the size of your Kika minnow.
Not much bigger.
Not the one that was on me. This one.
Is that a Walter?
Nope.
I think it is. It's a little walleye.
A walleye.
Not a boy.
No, little sauger.
Oh yeah. Well,
Ouch.
Moose, I gotta get you those cut resistant gloves. They're in my truck. Don't need you getting hurt.
can't make that up.
Forceps. Feeler?
Yeah, where did you put it?
Alright, we'll be
Oh,
back.
right here.
Clamp those under your coat. $4 a pop. I lost 10 of them last year. Well, we'll put it on a bigger screen, I guess. I give up.
Moose is hooked up.
What? I can't do it.
Nah, I ain't gonna grab that. Too much in his crotch area.
That's a
Missed it.
sauger.
There we go, Matt.
Attaboy, Moose! It's a good thing he's paying for trips now on, because he doesn't let anybody else catch fish.
Moose, what are you at now? 3?
3, yeah.
3, 2 to... You'll get there, Donald. Donald has the...
I'm at 0.
Donald will... Ooh, underneath me.
Well, you might as well get it.
Donald's the late bloomer.
This is a decent looking mark.
No!
Oh!
Hold on. Might have a chance.
Oh, I'm getting down there.
Dang it.
In case you didn't hear that, Moose goes, or I said, ooh, after Scott missed it, I go, ooh, I might have a chance, and Moose goes, nope, I'm getting down there.
I mean, if you go off the marks, it looked like a decent sized mark.
Dude, why it died? You got like 2 battery lives on there.
It says 48%. No, that's my SD card.
Oh. Your shouldn't do it card?
Yeah, the shit's donut.
Well, Scott's lost the 2 biggest fish so far.
Nope. And we're back. 2 seconds later, Moose is gonna get down and really upset.
Watch me steal this one. Oh, there's another one.
Moose is on the left, Donald's in the middle, I'm way on the right.
No. Oh,
Yeah.
alright, good. Don't want neither of us.
He's coming back.
Serious?
Fish are for kids.
This is hooked up.
Oh.
Nice and easy, buddy. Moose is using a panfish rod, that's why his drag's going. He's got panfish line on, I
Pretty
should say.
tight. I better get...
That a boy?
Sauger, I'd say it's a...
Same size as yours, probably, huh?
Yeah, you want to measure it?
Nice one.
Here. Oh, heck. We,
Good eater.
Ooh, they're down there, boys. Bunch of them.
14, 15, 12.
12 and almost a half. I'll say 12 and a half.
Oh boy. Yeah, stuff's getting pretty crazy.
Another pailfish.
Yep, pale fish. Got a slap in the butt by moose. That was kind of hot. Got fish up high, fish down low. Donald, where are your fish at?
Well, might have to switch over to the Wonder Bread here pretty quick.
I got another one.
Ooh, there's one right there, Donald. Don't let moose go down yet.
See that rod, Moose?
Yeah, where's the scissors? Cut that off.
Break the rod. It's okay. We love Moose. You got one right by you? Oh.
What was that? Good little pole bender.
That was a pole bender. Did you see that?
Yeah.
And it didn't move. Mother of fucking God. That recording, damn it.
Sorry, kids. We're allowed to say adult words.
You're so a jerk. Seems like every time you jig it, they run.
Then jig it and it goes right to you. Thanks, asshole.
Oh God, this would be epic if Moose pulls this one off. Cause
She gone. No, you know what I mean?
ooh, look at their jackknife. What are they doing out there? Oh,
Hopefully they go way down.
yeah, we got neighbors.
Watch them, we'll see where they go. Not a good hook set. Barely hooked. I mean, all about 12 inches.
No, leave all the fluff under to you. Donald on the board!
Hey. You got the...
I'm gonna give you now, huh?
Just a baby.
Yeah, pull him up.
Hey-oh!
Now we all can be thankful Donovan's on the board and the curse is over.
That's right. Why'd I have to hit?
Okay. Moose? Wait,
That's you.
rattle? There, they're down there. Let's hope they get bigger.
That's right. I didn't want to say anything because you tried too hard.
Yeah.
I went to plug this in and then it was right on you.
I'm a guy that can accidentally break.
Woo! That's a big sauger.
You get it? Sorry.
We have
There
bigger
you go.
sauger.
14?
Good, Sammy.
We got a 14?
Well, we were catching the 10s and 11s. We'll find out.
Right down there.
Right. I'm not gonna say that I was paying attention to any of that when it happened.
Nope, because I was gonna tell Scott, but
13 and a half.
13 and a half, inch and a half upgrade.
Let's go. Hey, no
There
one's ever mad about an inch and a half upgrade.
Just ask
Nope.
Lotto.
Yeah, after all
That's
that, once it came back and it's a tiny one.
It's big. It's huge. You get the vise on it.
Get the vice hands on that, Dono.
Okay.
Come on, reel it up, Moose.
Oh! Oh my God! It's so huge. That's your second small walleye.
Hold that up to the camera, Moose.
Thanks there, Gillespie.
Oh my God! It is a giant. No way! All right, it's 1:07 p.m. just for reference. We'll
Happy hour is over.
check back in later, Dono.
Snack.
We'll check you later. Bite size.
What's up? I'm so.
No, nothing big.
Just must be some small saugers came through.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah. Sauger. Dinner bell. Dinner. Nope. Going home.
No, not a nice one. No.
Yeah, there you go.
Sort all the hole.
Ooh, this might be something fun. Nope. Might be something fun as in something fun size, small.
Ooh. Moose, get ready.
Missed it again.
All right, the old Z-Viber perch by Euro Tackle.
It's gonna load up pulling the camera all the
Look
time.
at all the bait fish up high too.
Oh.
All right, well. See if we can make this continue. Thought there'd be a couple more connections there, but Moose needs to get that hot dog out of his hand and
So
set-
far,
set the
0
hook.
shots too.
Yeah.
Nothing over 20 and non-species of walleye. So
We'll get on them. Yeah.
So
hopefully we'll get on them.
what time is it? It's only 1:45. Oh my God, we're in trouble. Moose, make some waters for everyone.
Yeah, no shit.
What's
Oop,
that?
on the bottom. That's moose probably. Yeah, it is.
No, waters.
Yeah, you don't know what waters are. All right.
Just look like Texas Longhorn color.
Moose on the board again. We're just kind of eating, and he kind of surprised himself by saying, "How the hell did I hook that one?" That's a little sauger.
It's a big one. This just in Scott's live cam footage on Fox 9. What do we got?
Not bad, huh?
It's a fatty. That a boy? Still got it. Doesn't let anybody else catch the fish, but he's still got it.
Oh, there's one right below you.
They're on the table over there.
Just had to come over here and grab the forceps. We'll check in later.
Ended about 15 feet down.
Yeah. Weird. Guess who's full?
Lose it, we gotta
Mooses.
bend that pole a little bit.
Little.
That's a walleye.
Here, let me grab it.
You can tell by the color of that one.
Let me grab it. Good job, Moose.
Thanks, buddy.
That was cool.
And we're gonna update you once Moose catches the biggest fish of the weekend.
Brian has a lot more shots into the brush. Just hanging out in this tree up here. 10. Right behind me a little bit. Let's see what happens.
This way! Missed it.
Hey, you ready?
Presentations, bait, we got 3 different, either
Rethrow, rethrow.
sucker down, we got rainbow down, crappie down. One fresh, phenomenal
Oh,
this year,
man.
no matter what we tried fishing for. It just seems to be the best color. You know, I think a lot of you guys can
Rock on.
say it's just been
All right, Dono. It's what is it? Almost 8:30. Night 1 of day 1 up here on Lake of the Woods. Like I said earlier in the video, we left Thursday about 6 o'clock. You and Moose picked me up. My truck. We drove up, Baudette, stayed the night in a truck stop parking lot. which was, yeah.
Conveniently right next to McDonald's.
Yeah, conveniently attached to a McDonald's that we had to hit up this morning for breakfast. But
like 10 seconds ago.
yeah, we survived the night. Came out here. We were fishing by.
This isn't the worst thing.
Well, it was. I had to sleep next to you, so it wasn't the best either.
Again.
But yeah.
How much more do you down?
But then we got out fishing by 9. Seemed to be, you know, kind of active right away, and then it slowly dwindled. And obviously after dark, it's been pretty dead. Been marking a few things, but nothing's biting.
You know, it's your typical lake of the woods. Just you head up there and you just get away from everybody, and yeah, we're doing fine. We had some big marks come through, but
I did have that.
time too. You gotta realize that hey, it's Lake of the Woods, just like Red Lake. You know, just get away from the crowd, and then we're doing fine. You know, we have some nice marks coming in. Then after that, I don't know. After that, you know, moose.
I missed one. I had something on that I set the hook on, and it bent my pole almost to a U, and of course I lost it. Obviously it's not on camera. Maybe the miss would be on camera. Who knows what Melinda puts on it, but yeah, hopefully. I don't know. I know in the past we've been known to take off a lake that ain't producing, but with it being Saturday morning tomorrow and the weather, we are drifted in. We'll get a video of that in the morning. But
I think the truck's running.
and it's cold today.
40 real feel.
Tomorrow's gonna be hopefully not as bad, but it might be. So we'll see what happens.
For about a half hour.
All right, well we'll see what. If meteorologist Donovan's correct. But okay. But anyways, yeah, we'll this is the end of night 1. If we make 2 videos somehow, we'll make, yeah, this will be the end.
Because of the bush lights.
Woo! Whoa, we got it! Oh!
Yes, sir.
Oh my God!
That's a sweet fish, dude.